You know, I'm not a meteorologist, but it seems like we haven't had a good rain since the state fair, and our dry spell this fall is creating a potentially dangerous situation.
All right, let's take a look at these drought condition maps. On the left of your screen is this week, and the right is last week. As you can see, most of the state is under either moderate or severe drought, shown in the orange colors here. And the problem is only getting worse. Add in high winds and low humidity that we're seeing today, and you have an extreme fire risk.
Richard Reeves live in Minnetonka with more on the red flag warning. Rich?
Yeah, Kevin, we're at McKenzie Park in Minnetonka. It's kind of blustery out here. I don't know if you can tell, but dry conditions everywhere. Let's take a look. Check out the grass here. Obviously very dead, and it's blowing in the wind when the wind is blowing around there, but the warm weather certainly not helping.
Those high temperatures, dry conditions, and the wind.
Have you noticed, has it seemed dry lately? What are you seeing?
Very dry.
Christine Sanko says she's seen it all in her Minnetonka neighborhood.
Yeah, our grass, we've just let this go. All of my hydrangeas and stuff have just wilted because it's hard to keep up. It's so windy all the time and so dry, so you don't want to light a fire.
And it's not just Minnetonka. The National Weather Service Thursday issuing a red flag warning for 85 counties in Minnesota.
Very strong likelihood if there is a fire, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to contain and much more likely for some fires to actually take place.
That red flag designation means that fires can spread quickly and easily progress out of control with gusty winds and low humidity. Michael Warnke with the DNR says virtually every county in the state has restricted or banned open burning.
We've really seen no rain, making all that stuff on the ground, vegetation, extremely receptive to catching fire.
So what should you do to keep your lawn or trees safe during this dry spell? The U of M Extension says if you're able, try giving both a good soaking using an open tuna can as a measuring stick.
So you can put out little catch cans, and you're looking to water somewhere between ½ an inch and 1 inch of moisture if you are going to water.
Advice that Sanko is taking.
Just water more and watch what we're doing, watch fires, so, you know, don't want any accidents.
Now, the DNR urging people to not set campfires. With all the warm weather and the wind, it is likely that fire alert will stay in place throughout the weekend. Live in Minnetonka, Richard Reeve, 5 Eyewitness News.